Nervous system. Highlights of the lesson. Student will try to understand the nervous system. Understand the structure and function of neurons. Understand the different methods used to study the brain. Understand the organization of brain. We learn. I know. The brain helps us to think and remember about sense organs. Main parts of the nervous system and their functions. Reflex action and memory. Sense organs. Guess the object. Take turns to make your friends identify objects with their eyes closed. Ask them to name the other sense organs, sense of sight is not being used, that help them to identify the objects. You can use objects like pencil, flower, bell, and so on. The nervous system. The nervous system controls all the functions of our body such as breathing, walking, playing, eating, and digesting food, remembering names and lessons, drawing and talking. The nervous system consists of the brain, spinal cord, and a network of nerves. The brain. The brain is the control center of our body. It is protected by the heart skull. The brain has three main parts: cerebrum, cerebellum, and medulla. The cerebrum is the largest and uppermost part of the brain. It is also called the thinking part of our brain. It controls our voluntary muscles. It helps us to see, hear, and learn, think and remember. We use the cerebrum while solving maths problems or running in the field. Cerebrum also controls our feelings such as sadness, happiness, and fear. The cerebellum is located below the cerebrum and above the medulla. It is responsible for our posture, balance, movement, and coordination of muscles. Thus, cerebellum helps us stand straight without losing our balance. The medulla is the lowest part of the brain. It is a stem-like structure that connects the brain to the spinal cord. The medulla controls our involuntary muscles responsible for actions such as breathing, digestion, blood circulation, coughing, and sneezing. The human brain. The spinal cord and the nerves. Our body has a vast network of nerves. The nerves carry messages back and forth between the brain and the rest of the body via the spinal cord. The spinal cord is a long and thick bundle of nerves protected by the vertebrae. The spinal cord is connected to the brain at the medulla. There are three types of nerves in our body: sensory, motor, and mixed. Sensory nerves carry messages from the eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and the skin, sense organs, to brain or the spinal cord. Motor nerves carry orders from the brain or the spinal cord to the rest of the body. Mixed nerves carry both messages and orders to and from the brain or the spinal cord. Normally, sensory nerves carry message to the spinal cord. The spinal cord then sends the message to the brain. After the brain receives a message, it sends a response message through the spinal cord to motor nerves to carry out the action. How messages are carried to and from the brain? 1. The source of pain is ongoing or is not in a specific location. 2. Pain signals move through the nerves and up the spinal cord. 3. The brain reads the signals, but the body can't protect itself. 4. The brain can't produce enough endorphins to control pain. Pain may persist and be harder to relieve. Reflex action. The nervous system controls all our actions. Some of our actions are automatic. We do not have to think before doing them. These actions are called reflex actions. Such actions are controlled by the spinal cord. For example, when a finger comes too close to a hot object, the sensory nerves immediately pass a message to the spinal cord. The spinal cord sends orders through the motor nerves for the muscles to tighten up. We pull our hand away from the hot object even before we feel the pain. Blinking of the eyes and watering of the mouth are two other examples of reflex actions. Memory. We are born with all the nerves that we need, but many of them are not connected at birth. As we learn new things, the brain creates and stores new connections. This forms our memory. The brain recalls these connections whenever we need the information again. Sense organs. The organs which connect us to the outside world are known as sense organs. There is a close coordination between the nervous system and the sense organs. The 5 sense organs are the eyes, the ears, the nose, the tongue, and the skin. These sense organs are responsible for the reception of stimuli of sight, sound, smell, taste, and touch. They are connected to the brain through different nerves. Let's recall. The nervous system controls and manages the functioning of all other systems in the body. It is made up of the brain, the spinal cord, and a network of nerves. The brain has 3 main parts: cerebrum, cerebellum, and medulla. The cerebrum controls the voluntary muscles, cerebellum is responsible for balance, and medulla controls the involuntary muscles. The spinal cord is a long, thick bundle of nerves connected to the medulla. Nerves carry messages from the body to the brain and orders from the brain to the body. They are of 3 types: sensory, motor, and mixed. The actions of the body that are directly controlled by the spinal cord are called reflex actions. The organs which connect us to the outside world are known as sense organs. Glossary. Cerebrum. The largest part of the brain. Cerebellum. the part of the brain that lies below the cerebrum. Medulla, the part of the brain that lies below the cerebellum. Reflex, action and instant response of the body to an action.